Hello everyone, I am Sushma, pursuing second sem MBA, PSITM Shimoga. Today I am going to give a presentation on annual report of Larsen and Turbo 2018-19. Flow of presentation, industry overview, company profile, company background, vision and mission, quality policy, organization structure, product and services, award, analysis of financial statement. Industry overview. Larsen and Turbo is a major technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and financial services conglomerate with a global operation. L&T addresses critical needs in a key sectors: hydrocarbon, infrastructure, power, process industries, and defense. For customers in over 30 countries around the world, the company's manufacturing in footprint extend across 8 countries in addition to India. L&T has several international offices and a supply chain that extend around the globe. Company profile. Larsen and Turbo Limited, commonly known as L&T, is an Indian multinational conglomerate company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It was founded by two Danish engineers taking refuge in India. The company has business interest in basic and heavy engineering construction, reality, manufacturing of capital goods, information technology, and financial services. As at March 31st, 2018, L&T Group comprises 93 subsidiaries, 8 associates, 34 joint ventures, and 33 joint operation companies. Industry conglomerate founded 7 February 1938, 82 years ago, Mumbai in India. Founders Henning Holk Larsen, Soren Christianen Turbo. Both of them were strongly committed to developing India's engineering capabilities to meet the demand of the industry around the world. Headquarters L&T House, Ballard Estate, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Area served worldwide. Key people: A.M. Nayak, he was a group chairman, S.N. Subramaniam, MD and CEO of the L&T company. Company background: industry name Construction and Engineering, house name L&T Group, incorporation date 7/7/1942. The revenue was 1,41,007 crores, operating income 16,325 crores, total assets 2,79,134 crores, total equity 62,374 crores, number of employers 44,761 employees at present in L&T companies are working. Products: heavy equipment, electrical equipment, power generation, infrastructure, construction, heavy industry, IT services, rapid transit, financial services, shipbuilding, real estate, defense. Vision and mission. Vision: to become a leading integrated engineering solution provider in the global power sector, continuously creation value for our stakeholder. Mission: providing access to equity education for the underprivileged children, creating opportunities for skill building for school dropouts and unemployed youth and women, creating integrated land appropriate use of water and sanitation. Quality policy: L&T Values Limited is committed to enhance value to customer by delivering best in class values and flow control solution, complying with code, standard customer specification, statutory and regulation requirement as applicable to our products. Communicating, understanding, implementing and maintaining this quality policy at all levels. Continually improving the effectiveness of quality management system through appropriate technologies, process and total employee involvement. Organization structure: all they are affecting the productivity of the organization and also delaying the project deliveries. It has been based on their interaction with the L&T authorities and feedback. It is recommended to implement the matrix type structure with the organization structure. Product and services. Construction, building and factories. L&T Construction Building and Factories is a business vertically that is equipped with the domain knowledge. Buildings converts designing and construction of large township and high-rise apartment. Transportation infrastructure. It is a vertical spread at the infrastructure segment comprising a building and upgrading of roads and runways. Defense. Naval platforms and system. L&T is one of the leading India industry players for development, realization and supply of a critical system for naval platform. And L&T provides technology superior cost competitive solution for new customer as well as platform under the retro. Land systems. L&T is one of the leading private supplier to the Indian Army with a rich history of providing system of strategic importance to the country. L&T has received the largest contract to any Indian private company from India. Power. Coal-based power plant. L&T Power provides the entire range of superior power equipment and services on EPC basis. It is integrated manufacturing facility at Gujarat in India with a global partners as a manufacturing capacity of 5000 megawatt per annum. Gas based power plant. L&T Power executes combiner cycle and a congregation gas based power project. On basis, it has an excellent track recording in implementing project in India and overseas. It is the first company to execute a project with a F technology as a gas turbine for 250 megawatt classes. Power Development Limited hydropower project. L&T Power Development is occupied to make hydropower project to all types of hydroelectricity project in Uttarakhand. Thermal Power Project. Nabha Power Limited in Jaipur, Punjab is a L&T Power Development's most important thermal power project. The plant was set up in the record 46 months. Electrical and automation product and system. It is a business the vertically undertaken energy procurement contraction services of EV, including hydro and nuclear power plants. It offers designing and development solutions through the entire development chain and multiple industries. Low voltage product. The ARMS offers the total solution from the concept to design for new builds as well as repair and refit. Medium voltage product. Manufacturer and supplier customer designed equipment and a critical piping powers. It is a vertically comprising civil infrastructure and a smart world with a medium voltage product. Awards. In 2019, L&T is a listing of Asia's most honored companies institutional investor survey in 2019, ranked among top 10 employers brand in India by Randstad Employers Brand Research. L&T wins D&B Corporate Award in 2019. L&T Constructions vertically recognized as the best performing power transmission and distribution organization. In 2018, ranked among world's best employers by Forbes. Special recognition awards in a Randstad brand survey. 2017 Best Capital Project and Infrastructure Risk Management Award from CNBC TV 18. FICCI Quality System Excellence Award. Analysis of financial statement. Equity and liability. Shareholder funds. Total share capital in 2018 is 280.27. In 2019, 280.55. In both the years, the same, it was a constant. Total reverse and surplus. 55,219.96 in 2018. In 2019, 61,941.05. It was increased by in 2019. Total shareholders fund in 2018 55,500.23. In 2019 62,221.60. It was increased in 2019. Non-current liabilities In total non-current liabilities in 2018, 74,498.14, while in 2019, 75,344.14. It was increased in 2019 by 1,000. Current liabilities. Total current liabilities in 2018, 1,09,273.22, while in 2019, 1,34,589.29. It was increased in 2019. Total capital and liabilities in 2018, 2,45,053.35. In 2019, 2,79,134.07. In 2019, it was increased by 3,000. Assets, non-current assets. Fixed asset with the total non-current assets are in 2018, 1,08,815.11. In 2019, 1,12,150.33, while in 2019 it was increased by 2,000 with plus 3,000. Current asset. Total current asset in 2018, 1,36,238.24. In 2019, 1,66,983.74. It was increased in also 2019. While in last total assets in 2018, it was 2,45,053.35. In 2019, 2,79,134.07. In 2019, it was increased by 3,000. Thank you.